today's video, I'm going to show you how to get the best Zwift discount promo codes. This is pretty simple, so let's jump right into it. First of all, go to your web browser, and right here you'll have to search for Zwift discount promo codes. Right here, go to this website, which is called wordpenny.com, and open it. As you can see right here, we have a list of different type of promo codes that we can use to get some discounts. So for example, if you want to get this one, you up to 40% discount of any order. All you need to do right here is just tap on show code right here. And this is the promo code that you can simply tap right here to copy. And you can use this one on your next order so that you can get the discount. Also, we have right here this website, which is called simplycode.com. And right here, we also have some promo codes that we can use to get some discounts. So for example, if you want to get this one, which is today's best deal, all you need to do is simply tap right here to copy code. And this is the promo code right here. You can simply tap on this button to copy this promo code. And if you use this one on the next purchase, you'll get that 5% discount. So this is all for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video, and this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye bye.